Hi guys, Coach Nix here, Emapta's very own fitness coach. And today, we're here to celebrate all #Hair Story Makers this International Women's Day. And to join us, all you need is a pair of dumbbells or water bottles and a mat. So before we start, let's do our warm-ups. Arm circles, about 10 counts. Reverse. Twists. Then for the legs, to loosen up the hips. And before I forget, we will also be reading the messages you sent where we will choose one lucky winner. Then back. Then, of course, the ankles. So for this workout, we will be doing 10 reps, but you can do it 10 to 15 reps each exercise for 3 to 4 sets. Okay. For our first workout, this is jumping jacks with shoulder press. You can do it this way, or if you have knee problems, you can do it this way. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the next workout, it's squats. When you're doing squats, make sure that your feet is aligned with your shoulder. And you bring your hips back before going down, okay? And inhale going down, exhale going up. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the next workout, you'll be needing just one dumbbell or water bottles. Start from here, twist here, inhale down, throw here, slowly go down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and of course the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last exercise is V-sits. So for V-sits, still holding one dumbbell, you can do it starting here, up, down. Or you can maintain it up, then do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And rest. We have to do 2 to 4 more sets. Are you guys ready for the second set? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Squats. 1, inhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wood chops. Breathe first. 1. Inhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one. Visits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's rest. Great job, guys. Now let's do our stretching. First, let's do this. And while we're stretching, let's discuss the importance of health and wellness for women. Being a fitness coach, I've realized that being healthy is very important to women because women carry a lot of things aside from carrying life when we are pregnant. We also do a lot of things like caring for our loved ones. And for us to take care of others, we need to take care of ourselves first. That's why exercise and a healthy body matter. And remember, today is International Women's Day. Make sure to support and empower all women out there. For me, I always make sure that the women who I work with know that I am there for them, whether it be my student or a workmate. And I show them that I will be there to push them to their limit, at the same time motivate them to do more because I know they can. We're almost done with our stretching. Let's do child pose like this. Last one, cobra. Let's put this here. Inhale, exhale up. Okay, we're done. And that's it for our workout routine. But don't leave yet because we're reading some powerful messages by our letter senders. As I have said earlier, we will be announcing one lucky winner with the best message. So stay tuned and it might be you. And now we will flash our messages. And here's our first message. You will see it here.